In this video, I'll show you on how you can save your design or save the changes you have made in Canva manually. So Canva is an online-based tool, and therefore everything you made, every changes you made in the document will be saved almost instantly. So for example, if I want to change the background to, let's say, a different color to be this dark, you'll see that there's this icon will change. It usually will indicate that the document has been saved, so you don't have to worry if you will lose the changes. But just in case you want to be extra sure that the changes that you made will be saved automatically in Canva, you can save the document manually. What you need to do now is you can go to the file menu and then click save, and Canva will trigger the saving mechanism, and it will save the current or the new state of the document, so you don't have to worry that your changes won't make it into the document. So that's exactly how you can do it. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel to see more videos like this. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video.